Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today topic is install Dirsearch in Kali. It is simple command line tool that can be used to brute force the website's directories. Go to Kali browser and type Dirsearch GitHub and press enter. Click on first link, copy the code. Open Kali terminal and write first command git clone paste copy code. cd Dirsearch, then type ls. To see Dirsearch help type /dirsearch.ph and read instruction. To run you need domain, in my case I choose google.com. Use command /dirsearch.pu google.com aphp. U for URL or domain. A for extension. Press enter. To see output file, go to Dirsearch directories and go to report folder and then report. Subscribe to my channel.